It's not magic. This is a real little science experiment. Make a small hole in the bottom of the empty bottle. Fill it with water and twist the cap to create a miniature fountain that controls the flow of water. Screw the lid off the soft drink bottle. Refasten the bottle with the cap between the clothes. The same goes for the back. Take another piece of string and tighten the bottom of the garment. The life buoy is ready in case of emergency. Cut a small hole in the top and bottom of the bottle. The bottle cap is fitted with a hose. Do the same for the bottom of the bottle. Put the hose at the bottom of the bottle into the water. Put your finger on the other hose. Press the bottle to remove air. You can easily change the water in the tank. Soften the top of the bottle with a lighter. Quick press on the table. Quick press on the table. Easy to open the bottle. You made a bottle opener. Cut a hole under the bucket of mineral water bottles. Plug with your hands and fill with water. At this point, even if you remove the finger, the water will not come out. All you have to do is rotate the cap. Tap water comes out. You created the simple faucet. Remove the bottom of the plastic bottle. Put half a balloon over it. A flick of the finger. I can put out a distant candle. The popular science hundreds of times. Why don't you try it out with your kids?